I know where it's going to land, Link.
Where?
On Gifticality.
Welcome to Good Mythical MORE, y'all.
That means we're donating $1,000 to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital as part of their Thanks and Giving campaign to aid in their efforts to research, treat, and ultimately defeat childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. To learn more information about this and to donate, go to stjude.org/GMM.
Oh yeah.
We love St. Jude.
Yeah,
amazing organization.
Last year we visited, made some videos from Memphis, you may remember, so thank you for being your mythical best and donating. stjude.org/GMM. And hey, when we got rid of our last mugs, a lot of people didn't realize it, and then they were like, I wish I would have bought the mug before it went away. Well, listen, we're telling you right now.
Giving you the heads up.
We're working up some new mugs.
Yep.
So this green mug and the LTAT mug that are currently available in limited supply on mythical.com, only gonna be there in limited supplies.
They're going away
until they're gone.
Soon.
So grab them while they're here. That's your warning. Get in on the nostalgia.
At mythical.com.
Ooh, it's so fun to drink out of them.
Let's bring in David and Kristen.
All right, so we're gonna do the human dishwasher challenge.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Now, we got some dirty peanut butter and jellified plates here.
Awesome.
And I'm just handing them out at random here. They're roughly equally dirtified. And what we're gonna do in a little bit is
in a little bit
we're gonna clean these with our human powers of I don't know, I guess our mouths and tongues.
Love that.
Now, have you ever cleaned a dish in this way? Like
Absolutely. Frequently.
Hold on. Are you doing it because you want to get every last drop of what's on the plate? Or are you doing it because you're like, if I do this now, then I won't have to clean it with water?
It makes it easier to clean because there's less to clean. It's also less wasteful. Whenever I like start to rinse a dish down the drain before I put it in the dishwasher, do the pre-rinse, I have a lot of guilt associated with that moment. So
I have a lot of guilt associated with a lot of moments.
I'd rather eat the stuff, but that's just me.
So you're licking other people's plates, like anybody from the family?
No, only my own. I have a lot of my dysfunction comes to the fore and associated with dishwashing and the dishwasher. Like, I reorganize the dishwasher.
Once it's loaded, you reorganize it?
Yeah, multiple times a week.
I'm with you on that. I'm not proud of it, but I do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's not a good sign, but
No.
it makes me feel good to do it.
Hold on, are you reorganizing it so that you can get more stuff in it? Or because you don't think it'll get clean?
Both. There's the plates need, the dishwasher is designed for the plates to be facing a certain way, and then the utensils face in a certain direction, like you said about the knives, and then the cups. I mean, there's a right way to do it.
You saw the video. There's a direction in which the water squirts, and yeah, again, not a good sign.
Well, I'm not saying that.
I do.
Yeah, you're right about that. Like you got to put the cups down so they don't get. And you gotta put you don't wanna stack plates in there. They gotta be separated.
Yeah.
But sometimes things are a little bit off, but it's still gonna get clean. I think it might be a healthy practice to leave a couple of dishes just a little bit off and just to learn to embrace it.
I'm not asking for help.
Wow.
That's another problem that you've got.
What do you think, David?
Okay.
Where do you land on this?
I try to do it right one time. Make sure everything's in line.
In your life?
Just once.
Just once. Yeah.
You only get one life,
what do you mean
David.
one time?
I would say get it right one time so you don't have to go back and readjust.
Yeah,
so you have your plates going one way.
You don't live with children though, right?
Yeah, see that's the thing. That's how I realized.
Yeah, I do it right the first time, just like you.
Yeah.
Well, you know what's interesting? I didn't learn how to load a dishwasher until a year and a half ago.
Really?
Yeah, I had a functioning dishwasher in my home that I grew up in. We just never used it because my mom preferred to wash the dishes, and she had all of us wash our dishes. I think it's because she wanted us to understand the value of hard labor.
Yeah.
Christy's parents are the
really
same way.
did it.
They never use their dishwasher.
Yeah.
And I can't get them to tell me why. I don't know why.
Why use a dishwasher when you can be the dishwasher?
Why not?
Which actually is a great segue into what we're about to do.
All right.
Here
The
we are.
first person to finish licking the peanut butter and jelly off of this plate is the first person to lick peanut butter and jelly off this plate.
Do we know whose leftovers these are?
They're simulated leftovers.
Okay.
Simulated leftovers.
Just making sure.
Good question.
I mean, you never really know.
All right, okay.
Now that peanut butter is going to require some like repeated licking and lapping.
Yeah, we probably should have started this like 5 minutes
3,
ago.
Yeah, that's
2, 1, go.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah. Oh, the peanut butter's really stuck on there.
Now last time I was doing something like this, I broke the glass on my face. Remember that? So now
David
I'm
Hill's
be like,
going nuts over here.
I just don't.
David Hill.
I'd be licking so hard, I'd be
Why are
breaking
you-
the plate on my face.
Why are you making so many sounds?
It's all technique.
It's all a technique.
It's all technique.
I play to win.
What are you winning? What
Pride.
do you win?
Oh, there's a prize. I'm sure.
It's really tough to get down to the peanut butter. Well, what are you doing, David Hill?
Gotta loosen it up.
I mean,
David, I think you're making
mine's
it
a
worse.
lot cleaner than yours, and I'm not even working nearly as hard.
This peanut butter is not budging.
Mine's going pretty good up here.
Oh wow.
You are making out with that plate, David Hill.
It's gross. Can't do it.
The peanut butter's really sticky.
Let me see progress here. We show
Oh, I'm
progress.
doing pretty good.
What?
Damn.
How did you do that?
Gotta play catch up.
Ben's like, we need to throw these plates away. Can you imagine people eating off of these later and here at the office?
God, I hope not.
Hey, use a paper towel. Whoa, whoa, cheater. Yellow flag.
All right, Rhett's cheating, so he's out.
What are you talking about? It's not like I use my beard mostly and then move to a paper towel. I can't even get it off of there with a paper towel. My tongue done give out.
Oh my goodness. I feel like this is all over my nose.
The noises that are coming from David Hill's mouth.
You gotta
right now.
really get in there to get the peanut.
Oh gosh.
Please. Oh God.
The liquid that is coming
Oh,
from
spare
David
us.
Hill's mouth right now is for sale at mythical.com.
It's a dirty job.
Oh wow. You know what? You can't say the man didn't commit.
No.
Play for keeps. If I win, I'm probably gonna come back in the office
I don't
dressed up
think
in a banana suit.
Oh wow, okay. I don't think you're gonna beat Link because he's basically done.
Oh my god.
You guys didn't get anywhere close. What? I tell you,
Getting there. I just need
I
to
do this a lot.
You can see the whites of my plate here. I mean, I did okay.
I need to go wash
I
my
think.
face.
Oh God, I feel so awful.
I need a shower.
Oh, there's a prize.
Oh, there is no dignity in this at all.
Oh,
Do I
look at
want the
that.
prize? Does anyone want it?
That's the prize.
We've got new stickers. Put them on your window, on your laptop, on your bumper, but most importantly, put them in your shopping cart over at mythical.com.